Welcome back, A-ROK team, to another light review. My friends over at Betopper have sent me this amazing wash light, the LM1915R, to review, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. And shh, little secret, why I specifically asked for this one. So stay tuned. The Betopper LM1915R is a 19 by 15 watt RGBW moving head wash light with a killer halo ring effect and a extremely smooth zoom in and zoom out capability. Right out of the box, you get the fixture, feels super solid and aerodynamic with a plastic outer casing for lightweight with a clean matte powder coat finish. A user manual, a PowerCon cable, a XLR cable with a mounting bracket. Here's what makes this light punch above its price. It comes with 19 15 watt RGBW LEDs in the main head with a LED RGB halo ring for an eye candy effect. Its impressive 3000 looms is 20% brighter than the previous model thanks to the upgraded optics. Motorized zoom, 8-degree tight beam to a 60-degree wide wash. It pans at 540 degrees with a tilt of 270 degrees with smooth 16-bit movement, controlled by DMX 15, 24, and 32 channels, auto, sound active, master slave, and RDM. And in the back we have XLR out, XLR in, power out, fuse, power on and off, and the power. 250 watts, and it runs on a universal 100 to 240 volts. Effects: 0 to 100% dimming, 1 to 30 hertz strobe with full RGBW color mixing. A indoor rating of IP20 with a quiet fan for cooling is very impressive, but the halo ring is the rock star. Independently controllable for chases, pulses, and crazy layered effects. Perfect for tight stages or flooding a dance floor. Shh, here's the little secret. Because it's only 14 pounds and draws just 250 watts, I can daisy chain several of these units without worrying about the breaker or my back. Exactly why I specifically asked for this model. Maximum power potential in a featherweight package. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the LM1915R wash light by Betopper. So if you like it as much as I do, make sure you guys click on the link below, save yourself some money, and tell them DJ A-ROK sent you. Until the next one, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you in the next mix. Take care.